Alright, so I changed my mind on the weather stripping or the foam seal that I'm going to install on my box. I went to O'Reilly's and bought this stuff here, and it is amazing. I realized that the foam that I was using just really wasn't going to hold up, really doesn't seal as well. But this stuff here, man, as soon as you put it on, you're like, oh yeah, that's the stuff there. So this stuff here, man, go ahead and get it. Part number 01058 is what it's going to come up as. You just need those 5 numbers there, or right there. Amazing. I recommend it. Go ahead and do it. Yes, sir. Wow, look at that. That's solid. That stuff stays on. It's going to seal so nice. I'm really glad that I switched to this stuff here. I mean, look at that. Look at that seal right there. That was amazing. This might look a little ghetto, but I was going off of how thick the previous box had it. And as you can see, it went all the way to this line. So I wanted to make sure everything up to the line there that you can't see was covered. So even if there's some extra coverage, it should sit nice on there. We got one there. So heck yeah, we're gonna see how this sucker seals.